Avakian Back Pain Relief Center in our Vineland, New Jersey location. We're here with Dimitri today. He's been coming in for a long time, off and on as needed. Right now he's just having generalized soreness from getting back to his physical activity of going to the gym and just getting in shape and working out, which is a theme for the new year for lots of people. So we're just going to do his regular adjustment today. No new injuries, no new conditions, right?
No.
So I'm going to put some pressure on some of these muscles that are probably, Let me know if it's too much, and then I want you to look up and back down 5 times.
Okay, would you start now? Or?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I can tell you've been doing something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lots of shoulders and arms lately.
So that takes care of Dimitri's neck and upper back, and we'll do a little more on his shoulders for today and a little bit of therapy. Dr. Stacy Avakian, Back Pain Relief Center.